check-in at 1:30. Right now it's 12. My nephew Steve is dropping us off. Do you guys like the city? We come here just to eat. Oh, we live like what, 40 minutes away? Without traffic, 30 minutes away. But we live in the ghetto side. We are near Pier 37, and here is our cruise line. Carnival, how you pronounce Luminosa? Luminosa. We are going to visit this cruise ship right here. This is our second time. Inside this boat. We don't know because we're trying to get a boat. We are for this time. So we're gonna, I think we can check in. Opposite the crew, Pier 27 is quite tall. This is a quite tall that everybody talking about it. And Momo right here, Momo is everywhere. Momo. See, Momo right here. Momo. Okay, here's the side, show you where to go. And we in Pier 27. Even going there, it's so hot because people are walking. And then everybody is going in. About to get dropped off. Lots of security. I got that building right there. And check it in right here. We just got dropped off. I can't wait to go inside so that I can eat. It's bigger than the last time that we went. Okay, bữa năm thì tôi nhớ đó, ăn mát để thử thuốc quá. Oh, one of my dog is down here. San Francisco. So the dog is in there. And here the people take pictures. But you end up paying a lot of pictures. We don't even look at it. So no, thank you. Long walk. I thought we go straight, but we go around and around and around. I'm lazy, I don't want to walk, but I guess. A lot of people are very happy when they don't go close. No attitude, everybody in good mood, and all the employees in the crew are so friendly, so nice, very nice people. Here they put food right here. But here you can see Alcatraz, the mountain right there is Alcatraz. Alcatraz is the mountain you see there is actually Angel Island. Alcatraz is the jail. Okay, I'll show you guys when I get to the room. Everybody about to get to the ship. You see the dock, the hole. That's where the ship at. I see. You guys see the big plug? That's the plug. That's the plug, so they don't want you gasoline. They don't want gasoline, that's the plug. In San Francisco, I told you guys that it's strict. Hello, welcome on board.
We have both lines open. That's right.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hello, hi.
Hello.
Hey, we're inside.
Oi.
Yes. Looking nice. You want to go to our room first? Oh, what she doing? Lying there naked. get the key so we can start eating and drinking. You guys see the casino over there? That's casino, and then look, we got fans. Okay, my room is this, and I'm inside as usual. It's small like this. This is the bathroom, the shower room. This is the closet. You hang your clothes. Another closet right there. This is this. This is bed, sofa. Turn on the TV so we don't have to go there. Oh, we got the Bay Bridge. Our balcony have Bay Bridge. Woohoo! Okay, let's look at the Bay Bridge real quick from inside here. Is it raining or they're cleaning? Look like this. Hello, Bay Bridge. We came from there. We're across there. My nephew Steve took us there. Oh, look at the boat. And that bridge behind right there, that one is new. This one is old. Down here is a safety boat. Oh, over there is Emerald. Over here is like an Auckland. And here, Sunderland. Okay. Only when I tell you guys adult only is when they see people holding with the kids, they have to let them know. Before you gotta let them know. Yes, please do not do anything away yet. Let's go up. Let's go up.
Down it. Here we go. Yes, sir. Here. Oh, hey, there you are.
你嗰度行到嚟呢頭。
That one is this one.
I haven't go up there, but check this out though. If you wanna smoke, you have to smoke inside. This is first time I see smoke indoor. I go to many cruises, about 7 or 8 cruises. We never know that this spot. You come here to smoke. So cool, so cool, so cool. From up here, you look down, the adult pool. They have adult drink. And if you go up here, you see basketball. Kids are playing basketball. I wish my nephew they came here. You know why? I like the stair. The stair right here, it's not slippery. Right here, this thing block you to fall down. Okay, this side right here is a basketball. Kids are having fun with their sibling or the parents sport court. So I'm gonna go up and show you what they have up there. Doesn't seem like anything up here yet. No activity. Maybe because later. I'm gonna walk around a little bit to see what we have. Okay, down here is a golf course. Down here they play golf. They don't use sticks. They stick in the table. They're doing well for fun. Okay, let's see what they have in here. I walk from over there to over here. Oh, just for people to see. Oh, okay, so this one under is a pool. It's pool. Oh, this is for you to walk, like, see, running. I'm doing the wrong way. You have to go this way. See, this is how people run for exercise. Here another place, they have nothing, but later on they put chair for you to hang out. Then you can shower. I just gonna walk the whole boat real quick. Food so far, it was okay. Not so bad, not so good. Caution. The captain is talking. Okay, I'm gonna keep going to see what they have over there if I'm allowed to go there. See, people are running over there. They love to exercise. Good job, people. Good job. I didn't bring any walking shoe, exercise shoe. You know, I'm lazy. Oh, I should bring my shoe though. Now I'm jealous. Cause we're gonna stop in the boat for 4 days. Then we'll never stop in Mexico. We get out real quick and we jump back in. So it'd be good if we have shoes and we keep running. The ship is moving, but it actually only. In this area, they don't let the people use yet. You know, we just being nosy. They nosy too. Want to walk the whole thing. So I know that, oh, I'm already in this part, I'm already in that part. This part is the where's the captain at? I think where they go there. It's not in the back, it's in the front. This is the front. Later on, everybody come here because they want to see Golden Bridge. Everybody gonna be sitting here. Later on, this area gonna be crowded. Crowded. Okay, inside here. Another person inside here. Oh, it's just a stair. People, they come to cruise. They're not about food. They don't care about eating. They're really enjoying. Like they sit down like this and just look at everything. Me, I come to the cruise. I gain a lot of weight. I gain a lot of weight. But when I go home, I lose because I have no food at home. When you guys see me eating, it's always someone donate food to me. All my money go to the bills. And when you guys see me eat, I only can go to Costco because you know it's affordable, not too expensive, not too bad. You know the food pretty good. I'm going back to smoking area to grab my fan. I going around the circle. Oh, look at my baby. I already go around the circle. Daddy, I'm already go around the circle. I'm already everywhere. We going back to our room? I did already. Oh, you want to go take a picture? Okay. So I'm back where I go around. In the cruise, they have a lot of room and try to find them place. Okay, I'm going into the buffet. Let's see what kind of food they have. I also want to order drink too because I'm thirsty. Oh, the elevator is stuck. Okay, here are some
Will be open 6 o'clock until 9 or 9:30. I'm not really sure about the closing time.
and from here you can look down right here. I don't know who go. I think my fault. And then they have like here are the what they serving. Go over there, look. Oh, okay. Babe, babe, come this side.
See you around the ship.
Just want to show you guys what I was talking about early. So there's an upper track right there. This is upper track. And from here, of course, right here is Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna pass by there later. And the Quiet Trail right here. Oh, I just want to look out. Go over there, get food.
Well, we didn't walk out there.
Okay, let's see. Let's start here. You want something from here or you want to keep going? This is Chinese. Okay, we're gonna start with some Chinese food. Yay, I have some spicy. And then they have chow mein, egg roll. They have this soup, chicken manchow. And then they have this. Okay, that's the line, the other line. Here is the other side of the buffet, and it's called Little Marketplace. I am pretty sure they have the same food. Oh, when you're on the other side, you see Golden Gate Bridge. On this side, you see the Bay Bridge. So you guys can see the bridge. So pretty, very beautiful. And let's see what kind of food they have. They have barbecue. They have sides and they have barbecue. Everywhere it's not the same food.
Barbecue.
They have barbecue this side. No wonder I was wondering where people get steak from. I'm so lazy. I don't even eat fruit and salad. And what they got over here? What's the size say over here? Unknown. Oh, this is like an American chicken tender, onion dog. Oh, this is more like Americans. Babe, let's go get ice cream. Let's go get ice cream. Then we go into the wrong way. You want some barbecue? Oh, you full? We are so full. We don't even look at the food no more. line got longer now. People more people checking. Oh, this one they give you more napkin. See, instead of asking them napkin, they have napkin, which is so cool. So nice. I think ice cream is over there. Ice cream from outside. I should ask the young lady where they get ice cream from. Oh, ice cream is over there. I'm just walking around looking for ice cream. Okay, so early we came up here. We on deck 7, so this is deck 9, and we was other side to eat. One way. Elevator. Oh, how cool that is! This one, the window open. This is the first cruise that I see window open. I've been to the cruise for many times. Okay, this one not free. You gotta pay for.
He likes all of this, huh?
We're going to the pool section, and you see that much ice cream. Taco, burrito is up in the inside. But if you want some wings, you have to pay for it. I'm getting ice cream right here. Yay! Ice cream. And the ball. Get some ice cream and ball. Oh, the pool is indoor pool. Look, you guys, the pool is indoor pool. Jacuzzi, they have rules that you have to follow. And people are always using the pool because it's indoor. The last time when we take a cruise in San Francisco, we did not go swimming because it's too cold. Nice. Awesome. This is a adult pool. Adult pool, they don't allow kids. But no adult here because, you know, it's outdoor. It's cold. So the kid was swimming over there, but nobody's swimming over here. Oh, this pool is deeper too. Okay, let's look outside real quick. Oh, the chair, they could turn it to face the boat or face outside. Okay, let's go this side first and see what we see. Same thing, send the pool stop moving yet.
She does the same with him. It's still caught like the top of her head.
See, that's the gel. And your eyelid. And then over here is Golden Bridge. Oh,
Think of Mary, Jeannie, Vanessa, really
cold.
This is your drink, ma'am?
This is what I showed you guys earlier from my statement. Some people are drunk over there. The people who stay in this thing, they're drunk over there. Okay, I'm gonna go look for a place where you can chill. If you like sun, you stay here. And that one more quiet. Oh, hello, sir.
The team members appointed to assist you are easily identifiable by safety hats and vests. They'll be standing on corridors,
Is this what is this? Is this another smoking area?
Please take note of some additional important instructions.
Not sure. What is
Go
this?
overboard, throw them a light warning shout, man
Birthday.
overboard.
Oh, they have quiet birthday. Look.
Call 911.
So the boat is moving. More and more people are. Oh, what do you call it? Earlier I was telling you guys that everybody wanna be here because they wanna see the Golden Gate. All the people here are flying like crazy, rowing. Over there is the
Just playing with fries. Big one.
Ooh. They have with bacon, but I didn't ask for bacon because I thought the bacon was all gone. Mmm. So good. This French fry is so good. It has flavor. They run out of ice cream cone, so I have ice cream in the cup. Oh, the ice cream and French fry is good too. Thank you for watching day 1. See you day 2. Bye bye.